me see your face. Here comes my flame. Lighting's really bad in here. Let's go move you guys. We need daylight. Hey, you guys, what are you doing? Oh, you're going to learn to be in trouble. Come here. Let's go in here. Let's go in here. Oh, pretty boy. Here's pretty mama. Here's a pretty mama. Here's a pretty kitten. Oh, this is pretty mitted. Look at those pretty mitts. Keep those pretty mitts clean. Uni Uni, big sister. Big half sister, Uni Uni. Come on, let's go in here. Ooh, ooh. There's my Tortie. She's like her mommy. Let's go the other way. Other way. Can't. Come on. Get in here.